ilayo pa ho ng aking pinanggalingan at sa daming pagsubok ang aking dinanas. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much. I believe that the greatest creation of God are humanity. Me, them, and also the creation of God. So whether you like it or not, lesbian, gay, bisexuals, and transgender are part of this humanity. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Oliver Pangilinan Santanis and I am 24, all the way from the Banatu Festival and the tricycle capital of the Philippines, Cabanatuan City. But for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of ang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Dingdong Dantes. Ba't di niyo po ako subukang palakpakan? Binibining Marian Rivera.